to Fayetteville last night, stayed in a hotel, and we just got to our new building. We're doing renovations and all of that stuff, so we kind of wanted to see what it was looking like after a couple weeks.
Demolition time, y'all. Demolition time. All right. As you can see, some work has been done. Right now we're taking out all the drop ceiling, open that, expose that, so it basically makes everything look much bigger and better in here.
Oh, this area over here is getting out of here.
Demoed out all of that little old deli space there, all that old wall there. All this is going to be black and exposed and open and looking marvelous. We're currently in the process of figuring out where we want to build these interior partition walls. We know where we're going to build the kitchen wall and the gym wall, and right now we're trying to figure out where we're going to put the podcasting room, my office, the conference room, all that good stuff. The management office and the break room is pretty much decided, and we're probably going to build this like little reception desk in the front. But this is going to be colossal. Like, the podcasting room is going to be massive. The gym, let me just show you the gym real quick. I think you can see it better now than we could in that first video. So what we got, babe?
So
this is all going to be a wall.
Yeah, all the way down to that wall down there to that wall over there.
And then it's going to come out to right about here or so. So that entire rectangular space is all going to be a gym. So we got lots of room for lunges, squats, bench. I mean, we got to get a whole bunch of equipment just to fill up this space. And then it's just going to be like, we're going to have our own apparel spot. It's going to be massive, y'all. Get ready. We got a little demolition going here in the hall section. Another dumpster. You can kind of see it a little bit better now than you could that first time because the light was all jacked up. But the property line goes all the way to that little barn over there. So quite a bit of space to build. And then again, there's 5 walk-in coolers. This one is the biggest of the 5, and it's 5 feet wider than our current cooler. And honestly, that's super exciting because it's just gonna be able to increase the amount of bricks we can have on hand, and it'll improve the efficiency of us cycling through those bricks and just being able to build a backstock for when we start really tapping into retail and wholesale opportunities with the business. So super excited about that, and we're just excited about everything. It's gonna be amazing, y'all. Get ready. What is going on, y'all? It is the next day. We just got done walking our loop around the park and drinking a cup of coffee and taking Jack for a walk. By the way, Jack is so out of shape. He cannot keep up with us.
He's not out of shape. He's gonna be 13 in October.
How old is that in dog years?
I think it's 7, like 13 times 7.
Yeah, he's old.
Yeah, he's old.
He's an old dog.
Getting
Anyways, so we just want to kind of like touch base with you real quick. We're super excited about the building. Obviously, we're super excited about the demo work, seeing everything come together. We're super excited about the fact that today's Sunday, we're launching the limited edition chocolate peanut butter cup keto bricks, and we're probably gonna put this vlog out tomorrow, so I'll get some footage of that packaging of the bricks. And there's like a lot of bittersweet stuff going on right now. All the sweet stuff is obviously what you've seen thus far: the bricks, the business, the building, triple B's, the bricks, the business, the building. Anyways, there's some bitterness with it all too, and that lies in the fact that Brandon, our awesome production manager, who you all have seen on the vlogs and on the podcast, yeah, he's been a rock star. He was with the police force for 15 years prior to working with us. He's worked for us for a year and a half, roughly.
Yep.
About a year and a half. And the day after we got the news that we got the building, we also got the news that he has decided to return to the police force. So yeah, that hit me like a ton of bricks. Everything's got a brick reference right now.
Yeah.
It hit me very hard. I did not see that coming, did not expect it, and it totally took the wind out of my sails and knocked the breath out of me. I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that he was with the police force for 15 years. Like I said, he's he feels compelled to return back to that. I think in large part due to all the stuff that's going on right now with the police force. I mean, the riots, the political stuff, everything going on with the police force right now. I mean, a lot of this news that happened in Virginia hit very close to home with him because he knew a lot of these people that were being talked about in the news. He's friends with a lot of these people. Like, he's worked alongside a lot of these police force members. And in seeing all that, in hearing all that, in knowing so much about that, he feels compelled to return to that line of work and make a difference in that field. And for that, I feel I'm excited for him. I'm in full support of him doing that. Like, whatever you feel compelled to do in life, that's what you should do. Like, you don't want to live life with regret and not doing the things that you feel drawn to do. So I am in full support of him doing that. I hate it selfishly because I loved having him on the team. I feel like he and I had a lot in common. I feel like he and I connected on a lot of different things, and it's sad to see him go. I loved his wife. I loved his kids. I mean, I loved the whole family. Like, they're a family more so than employees, for sure. John, his oldest son, would come out here and like mop the gym floors, wash the vehicles, weed eats. I mean, like, we went over to their house once a week and visited. Like, I feel better for having known him and having them in our lives. So for that reason, I cannot look at the fact that we're losing him as a bad thing, because I'm better to have had him for a year and a half than to not have had him at all. And I feel like that is the best way for us to look at the situation. He was a rock star at the conferences. Like, if y'all had gone to the conferences and interacted with him in person, he was a freaking rock star there. We were able to leave the production of the Keto Brick to go on events and not have to worry about it, knowing that it was in his hands. He's just a really awesome guy, and I want this video to be our moment to recognize the fact that he was a rock star, that we appreciated him. We appreciate him still. We're going to keep in touch with him. He's still going to be a Deeper State Keto coach, so I feel very blessed to be able to work alongside him in that regard still and stay in contact.
And he's still going to be eating the bricks every day.
Yeah. Speaking of that, there was like all the bad bricks, not bad bricks, but like employee bricks that have fallen on the floor or had the wrong ingredients or whatever. We had like probably 1,200 of those, and we just sent all of them with him. So he's got like enough bricks to feed his family of 5 kids for the next 2 years probably. So yeah, but I just wanted to give him the justice of like having this video and us just taking a moment. I don't even know how to put all this into words because, like I said, it hit me kind of hard. But I'm excited for him. I'm proud of him. I'm very blessed to have known him for the year and a half that we worked alongside each other. And I just want this to be a positive thing for everybody. He's going to go on and make amazing moves and change lives and make a massive positive impact. And we're going to do the same. And we're going to be stronger and better going forward as a business, having known him, and we're going to be stronger and better going forward with the team that we have. So shout out to Brandon, shout out to our current crew, shout out to all of y'all that have been able to interact with him and us and what all is going to happen going forward. You have anything? I've been talking a lot.
Yeah, you talked the whole time.
Yeah. Let's say something.
Mostly, for me, it's been really hard because we really loved him and his whole family, and Brandon is very, very much focused and zoned in on his faith, and in his faith, this is what he feels like God's calling him to do. And I know those of you that follow me will know that I also have a faith, and I cannot say that he is wrong in doing what he's doing. And I'm very excited for him, and I'm very proud of him. And it was not an easy decision for him to make. So there's that, and I can't do anything but be excited and proud and hope all the best for him and his family, and their travels safe back home or back to Virginia. And we were very proud to have him, and he was such a great, awesome, amazing part of our team. And we were very sad to be leaving, or for him to be leaving us. But we just wanted to share with you guys that we are very excited for him, and there is no bitterness. There's no there's nothing bad. It's all good. We're all very proud of him and very excited, and we're going to be rock solid moving forward. We have a lot of plans that we're putting into motion, and they're still our friends and they're still our family, no matter where they are and what they're doing. That's kind of my 2 cents.
All right, now we're gonna go work out. So we love y'all. Love you, Brandon. Love you, Jackie. Love all the kiddos, and we'll keep in touch, and we'll talk to y'all soon. So take care and toodaloo. What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. Crystal
Sykes, LadySavage.com.
It is the next day of the same vlog. This vlog is actually going out today, Monday, so it's gonna be good. We just got done rocking I did legs, you did...
Buys and tries.
You got something on your nose right there.
I like it. Oh, ew.
Anyways, we just got done rocking out a workout. We're about to get a shower, bang out some bricks. Actually, the bricks already banged out. We're about to package a bunch of bricks, get ready to be shipped out to y'all, because we had the chocolate peanut butter cup launch yesterday at noon, and they sold out in less than 30 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. So congrats if you got one. If you didn't, sorry. Maybe better luck next time. Maybe we'll come out with this thing again sometime in the unforeseeable future.
We also have some really awesome flavors and things that we're coming out with.
We got some stuff in the pipeline. We got some
get
stuff
ready.
in the pipeline. So,
Yeah.
didn't mean to cut you off there.
No, I was just going to say, if you're sad about it, it's okay to be sad about it, but there's more things coming.
Yes. Now, serious question. I need to know the answer in the comments below, so feel free to comment below. I need your expert eyes. So, Crystal, come over here. Let's look in the mirror.
Please don't embarrass me right now.
Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. I just got done doing legs. I got a leg pump. Crystal,
What am I supposed to be doing right now?
whose butt's bigger?
Robert.
Is that too personal?
Yeah.
You'd win. What you got going on there, Kara?
Oh, you know, some labels.
Shipping some labels, printing some labels.
Just a few, you know.
You got a freaking stash there.
This is only maybe a tenth of it.
All right, we're getting warmed up. Variety packs. Who's doing it? Is it Crystal?
More specialness.
What is it?
It's the variety.
Variety
Oh,
packs.
yay!
We got some packaging going on in here.
Yep, lots of packaging going on.
Lots of bricks. Lots of bricks. Lots of bricks. You doing all the work, Mackenzie?
All the work.
All the work?
The other one.
Asian not pulling his weight.
What?
I was trying to say his Instagram profile was the Keto Asian. So I'm like, Asian not pulling the weight.
That's
Sorry,
messed
bro.
up, dude. That's, dang.
Sorry.
I'm trying to pull
You're
my
pulling your
weight,
weight. You're pulling your
yeah.
weight. We got a cool handshake though. Let's do that. Boom.
Boom.
Like it. Love it. Alright, y'all, just to recap, we got the bricks getting packaged right now. They're going to be headed your way today. We're going to get them dropped off at the USPS Center today, so it should be at your doorstep very, very soon. We hope you love them as much as we do. We've literally been eating one every single day since we started making
Only the
them.
ones that are like chipped or cracked or fell on the floor.
They're pretty good. But, hope you love them. Hope you get them soon, and we love y'all. So, talk to you soon. Take care. Adios.